Assalamualaikum, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn activity book of English. Open your page number 15. Okay, do you know which letter is this? Is this capital G? And what is the sound of G? G. Okay, trace with me. Starting point. Make a curve. Go up, come down, and is this small g? Okay, starting point, make a curve, go up, come down, and make a curve. Very good. And this G sound is G. G glasses, G glass, G grass, G gloves, G girl, and G grapes. वेरी गुड. आप सब ने इन सब में कलर्स करने हैं, अच्छे से कलर्स करने हैं. ओके, और फिर मुझे चेक भी करवाना है. ओपन योर पेज नंबर 16. राइट द कैपिटल जी and small g accordingly. Okay, is this capital? No, is this small g? Okay, we write capital. Okay, again, is this capital? We write small. Is this small? We write capital. Very good. Is this small? No. Is this capital? We write small. Is this small? We write capital. Is this capital? We write small. We complete page number 15 and 16. Okay, Allah Hafiz.